But yeah, I'm digging this little trench here. I'm gonna put some water line down to come into this garden over here. So what I'm doing, I'm coming from this line that goes down here, comes out here, and it runs all the way over there to the chicken coop. They got a spigot coming out the ground over there, and then I'm gonna run a line to this garden over here, and I want to extend that line. The guy who had the house before put that spigot up way over there. I want to extend it all the way to the chicken coop. He used to have a garden right there, and he put it on the edge of his garden. Well, I took that garden out, and because I didn't like where it was, because I'm putting a bridge going across that little seasonal creek type area, the drainage, and then I'm gonna put it right up to the coop. So this is what I'm doing first. I'm getting ready to do that. All right, I got my water line down. I got more of a bow than I wanted in there, but it'll conform to that. So it's not the worst. You dig it by hand like that, that's hard. Just ditch witch would have made it a lot easier, but I don't need to go that deep. So, woo! Yeah, it's all right. So I got the water line coming in, and we'll have it coming up right here, like that. So I can water the garden over here. I don't have to stretch the hose all the time. Put a hose right here, and what I'm probably gonna do is put something right up on this corner, probably, to wrap the hose up and have it off to the side, because I need to be able to build. All these runs are big enough for the tractor to go in each one of these, but the tractor can't go down this run. So putting the hose up, I probably should have put the spigot coming off over there, but I really wanted it right there where it is. That's just what I wanted. I don't know. I can always fix that. I can always make it come up over there if I want to. But I'm gonna give it tonight to set and cure, and then I'll turn it on tomorrow and give it a test. The cement, the epoxy, the glue you use, the plumber's glue, should be set already, but I'm just gonna let it set overnight. We got real cold temps coming. I'm gonna have to do something, cover all this stuff up. Anyway, this is gonna make life so much easier when it comes to water and stuff around here. And I'll put it to where the height is. I don't have to bend over whatsoever to turn this on and off, so that'll be nice. All right, I got this turned on. I don't see any leaks whatsoever, so I'm gonna put it down in the ground and start burying it, and call it a finished project after that. So pretty good water pressure there, huh? All right, rock and roll. I got my water line in the ground, which I'm happy about that. So now I got water way out here in the garden. That's nice. So, oh, I got a little drip coming out of there right there. Well, that's all right. Too worried about that. I'll fix that later. So, okay.